Guess what I get to do today? Beekeeping all day long. Today, I am actually going to fix a mistake I made quite some time ago. When I first started beekeeping, I was running one deep box for a brood chamber, then an queen excluder in mediums up above that. And what I would do is harvest the honey that we wanted to extract and left one medium box for the bees to get through the winter. What the problem was, I would move the queen excluder up above a medium, so getting through the winter, it became a deep and a medium, which come springtime created an absolute mess for me. Trying to force the queen down into the deep chamber. Meanwhile, after we've done that, there's already brood going in a medium box where we want honey to go. So trying to work efficiently and quickly, especially the size to which we grew, became very difficult. So today, as you can see here, I've got several setups in this bee yard where the deep is on the bottom and then there's a medium and mediums above that. So what I'm doing is adding deep boxes above the other deep box. So what we're gonna do is have a deep brood chamber on the bottom for the brood, the queen and the brood. And then we're gonna let the bees fill up the next deep box for honey stores for the winter. And we're gonna let them have that for food during the winter. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Then becomes the queen excluder, and anything above that in honey supers we'll use for human consumption. So come springtime, it'll be much more organized and much more efficient for us to manipulate frames because there's different size frames. And it'll just work out more perfectly. So the purpose of this video was to hopefully for you to learn from our mistake. Now, there's a caveat to this. Not every beekeeper is the same, but I find this is the most efficient way to go, to run two deeps during the winter year-round. So your foundation is a bottom board minimally, and two deeps. Then anything above that will be medium supers for human consumption. I hope this helps you, and I hope this helps you avoid a mistake that we've made, I felt. So we'll catch you on the bee side.